What up? There is a sweatshirt that I just got and I wanted to show you. It came all the way from Korea. I'm Korean if you didn't know. Oh, my name is Ruth. I'm based in New York. Pretty into like, you know, like Korean shows, Korean variety shows, Korean whatever. There's a YouTube channel that I think is like pretty inspiring to me. They have kids talk to like singers, artists, things like that on their channel, and I first found them through this one video with Loco. The title is called You Asleep, and kids meet this discharged rapper. He's wearing the sweater in there. So that's when I first saw it. Loco is a Korean rapper. He is signed to AOMG, that is Jay Park's label. When I saw it, I was just kind of like, wow, you know, like, damn. Shipping was a little bit expensive because it's coming from Korea and I'm in New York, so it was like $30 something. The crew neck was on sale for $56, I think. So it's pretty expensive, but I think the meaning on the hoodie just kind of evoked a lot of emotions in me, so that's why I really wanted it. Let me just break the sweater out. It came like this. It came with their stickers. It's called ODG. Comes with this blue sticker, and then which is like their logo, and then this is like kind of like their slogan, I would say. That is the saying on the crew neck. Wait, what is it? May the dream be with you. I like that. ODG. You were a kid once. It's so cute. I kept it in this bag this whole time. I got this sweater I think like a week ago. I got a size large because I wanted it to be oversized. This is what it looks like. And there's even a tag on here and it says ODG through videos. ODG connects emotions, feelings, realism, and atmosphere to our products. And then the back is plain, but I like the quality of it. It's pretty soft. I really like it. I like the packaging. It's the You Were a Kid Once ODG is on the tags. So I got this because of the saying on it. I just think that's so important. A reminder that you once were a kid too. Doesn't matter how old you are. We can all relate to that. We all once were naive, innocent little kids that were brought into this world without, you know, asking, but we're all here and most of us don't know what we're doing, you know? Like, I don't know what I'm doing with my life. No one knows what the hell they're doing, but you know, we're just surviving. Let me try it on, so I'll be right back. Oh, this is how it looks on. Super staticky right now, but I'm wearing some biker shorts from everlane. But yeah, I like it. Can you just imagine like wearing this and then someone's like, oh, what does your sweatshirt say? You were a kid once? And then it makes you think. It makes you think about those times. It's inevitable. When you read something like that, you were a kid once, it reminds you. We were all once there before. I look cute as hell in this. Should I put my glasses on? It's so cute. I love it. So that's it. Hold on.